Feeling stuck in your current situation? Let me tell you about the power of an online business and how it can change everything. With an online business, you are not limited by a 9-to-5 schedule or someone else's paycheck. You can take control of your time and your finances, whether it's working from home, having more time with your family, or just being able to create extra income. This is the key to changing everything in your life. And here's the truth. The best investment you can make is in yourself. When you learn new skills and build your own business, you are setting up a future that your future self will thank you for. You don't have to wait years to see results. You can start today and create financial freedom. If you're ready to invest in yourself and create a better future, type "I'm ready" in the comments, and I'll show you how to start your online business today.